Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as you can see, we are at Dollar General and we are about to get into our 5 off of 25 deals for Saturday. So before we get into the all digital deals, because I do have a lot of all digital deals to show you guys, I want to show you guys a deal that kind of turns the $5 challenge deal that I did earlier in this week. Hopefully you guys saw that video and you guys have done that deal, but I want to show you how you can turn that deal into a 5 off of 25 deal. So this is what you can do if you have some paper coupons and you want to turn the $5 challenge deal that I did using the instant savings on these products into a 5 off of 25 deal. So this week I really want to focus on adding in some household products, some cleaning products, some hand soaps. Y'all know what we got going on in the world right now. So I want to show you how you can stock up on some of the items that you will need during this time that we're in for the low. And this deal is the bomb, I promise you. So this is the $5 challenge deal that we did. You guys know that this deal comes out to $3.50. Hopefully you guys know the breakdown by now, but I'm going to review it just in case you didn't see that video. So what we did is we picked up 2 of the Dove deodorants at $2.25 each. We're going to use our $2 off 2 digital coupon. We picked up 1 of the Suave. We did not use a coupon on that. That is a $1 item. 2 of the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. These are 28 flow ounces each. We used a $4 off 2 paper coupon, and then 2 of the Vaseline lotion at $3.50 each, and we use our $2 off paper coupons. The Crest I'm adding into this deal to make sure that we get our total high enough for our instant savings. Because all of these items in the center, the Vaseline, the Tresemme, the Suave, are a part of an instant savings promotion where you will save $2 for buying $8 worth. And in this part of the deal, we're actually buying $16 worth. So we are going to save a total of $4 instantly at the register. So on top of the 5 off of 25, we are also going to be adding another store coupon in the mix, and that is our 3 off of 12 beauty bag coupon. I will provide a link to download this coupon down below. If you have never downloaded it before, just check the description box. Now, to make this deal a 5 off of 25 deal, what we're actually going to do is we are going to add in yet another instant savings promotion. So I picked up $10 worth of soft soap, hand soap, and palm olive dish liquid. So I got a total of $6 in soft soap, hand soap. These are all $1 a piece. This bigger one, the antibacterial, is $2, and then the palm olive are actually 3 for $5 or $2 each. I am buying them, only buying 2 of them for a reason, because for some reason when you buy 3 of them, it doesn't work out at the register. So we're only going to pick up 2 of those, and we are going to use 50% off paper coupons. We are not going to use any coupons on the soft soap, even though you can use a 50% off printable coupon if you want to on the bigger soft soap. That should be available on the soft soap website for print. Okay, so we have a total of $10 in the participating products for the palm olive and the soft soap. So we're going to save $3 instantly there. We have a total of $16 in these instant savings. So we're going to save $4 instantly there. So that is going to automatically give us $7 in savings. So we need to make sure that our total is actually $32 instead of $25 to account for that $7 in instant savings. So our total for all of these items before the instant savings should be $32.50, which is why we added in that Crest to make sure that we were over. So we're going to download our 5 off of 25 coupon, our 3 off of 12 coupon, plus all of those other paper coupons and digital coupons that I will have listed down below for you. Y'all, once you use all of those coupons on this deal, your total is only going to be $4.50. $4.50 for all 15 items. It does not get any better than that. It's like paying 30 cents an item, and you will be stocked up on your hand soap and your dish soap $4.50, y'all. So check below for the written breakdown, but I wanted to show you guys that deal because I think it is the bomb. Okay, so here is an all digital variation of the deal that we just reviewed. So we're still going to stock up on our hand soaps and our dish soaps, but we are going to get some items that we have digital coupons for instead of the paper coupons. So the first thing we're going to grab is the Crest once again. So that's $2. We're going to use our $2 off digital coupon. We have one of the Crest charcoal as well. So these are actually $4, but we have a $3 off digital coupon. We have our Dove deodorant once again. These are $2.25. We're going to use our 2 off of 2 digital coupon. And then we have 2 of the Head and Shoulders. These are the 3-ounce size. These are $2, but we are going to use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So our total for all of these items before any digital coupons or instant savings are applied should be $29.45. Once again, we're going over 25 because we want to account for the instant savings on the soft soap and the palm olive. So the instant savings is going to take off $3, bringing us down to $26.45, which still qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. So we're going to use our 5 off of 25 plus all of the digitals for these items right here. After all of those digitals are applied, our total is just going to be $9.45 for all of these items. $9.45 for everything, and we have a ton of items here. If you do want to throw in just 3 paper coupons for the palm olive and the soft soap, you can bring that cost down by another $1.50 and make this deal only $7.95. Okay, so now we're going to do a deal with some paper products, and the first thing we're going to grab is one of the Angel Soft 12 rolls. So these are $5 regular price, but we have a $1 off digital coupon. Next up, we're going to grab some Sparkle paper towels. So these are on sale for $4.50 this week, and we are going to use a $1 off of 1 digital coupon. If you do not have this $1 off of 1 digital coupon for some reason, I will have it linked down below in the description box so that you can download it to your account. Okay, so now we're going to grab 2 Febreze products of your choice. You do not have to get the air fresheners. You can also get like wax melts or some of the small spaces as well. As long as they are a $3 item, you are good to go. So I'm going to grab 2 of the sprays. These are 2 for $6. We're going to use our $3 off of 2 digital coupon. Okay, so here is our next all digital deal. So only digital coupons needed for this deal. So you got 2 of the Febreze at 2 for $6. We are going to use our 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You have one of the Sparkle paper towels at $5. We are going to use our $1 off digital coupon. We have one of the Tide liquid laundry detergents at $4.95. We're going to use our $2 off digital coupon. We have 2 of the Head and Shoulders. These are the 3-ounce size at $2 each. We're going to use our 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And a quick note about the Head and Shoulders: if for some reason your store is out of those, you can totally just swap those out for this Crest 3D white with charcoal. It will turn out the same way, the same cost for your transaction. Just throw this in. It's the same price at $4 and use the $3 off digital coupon. And then I have one of the Crest baking soda with whitening, $2. We're going to use our $2 off digital coupon. And then we have our Angel Soft, that is $5. We are going to use the $1 off digital coupon. And I think I said the Sparkle was $5, but it's on sale for $4.50. So our total for all of these items before our digital coupons is $26.45. So that qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. So we're going to download all of those digitals plus that 5 off of 25, and our total for this deal should be just $9.45. Just $9.45, all digital coupons. Okay, so now we're going to get us some cleaning products. So the first thing I want to grab in this next deal is some Clorox cleanup spray. So this is actually on sale for $2.75 this week, and we have a 50-cent off digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab some Pine Sol. So the Pine Sol is $3 regular price, but we also have a 50-cent off digital coupon. Next up, let's grab some Gain dryer sheets. These are $2 regular price, but we are going to use use our $1 digital coupon. Now we're going to grab some All or Snuggle products, whichever you prefer. These are 2 for $8 this week, and we have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon. Okay, so here's our next all digital deal. I really like this deal a lot. This is super easy and a super easy way to stock up on some household items. So we got 2 of our Febreze again at 2 for $6. We are going to use our 3 off of 2 digital coupon. We have our Clorox cleanup at $2.75. We're going to use our 50-cent off digital coupon. We have 2 of the All or Snuggle products. Those are 2 for $8. We are going to use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. We have the 34 count Gain dryer sheets at $2. We're going to use our $1 off digital coupon. We have the Crest 3D white charcoal at $4. We're going to use our $3 off digital coupon. And then we have our Pine Sol at $3 regular price. We are going to use the 50-cent off digital coupon. Our total before any digital coupons are applied should be $25.75. That is enough to qualify to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. So we're going to download that plus all of those other digital coupons. That should bring off a total of $17 in savings, making our total for these 8 items only $8.75. So it's like a little over $1 an item, which is a great deal for these items. Next all digital deal, we are going to grab one of these big Tide Simply Cleans. So these are 89 low detergents, 138 ounce. They're $8.95 regular price, but we have a $2 off coupon that is working on this item. Okay, so here is our final all digital deal. So we have 2 of the Head and Shoulders 3 ounce again. So these are $2 a piece. We're going to use that $3 off of 2 digital. We have the Crest. Once again, we're going to use our $2 off digital. It is $2. We have our Tide liquid laundry detergent. So we have one of the red bottles. These are the 40 ounce bottles for $4.95 this week. We're going to use our $2 off digital coupon. We have one of the big Tide Simply. So these are 138 ounces. They are $8.95 regular price. We're going to use another $2 off digital coupon. And then we have 2 of the Febreze at 2 for $6. We're going to use our $3 off of 2 digital coupon. So our total before any digital coupons are applied should be $25.90 for all of these items. So that qualifies us once again to use that 5 off of 25 coupon. So we're going to download all of those digitals plus that 5 off of 25, and that will bring our total to only $8.90 for all of these items. $8.90, y'all. This alone is $8.95, so it's like we're paying for that and getting everything else for free. So I hope these 5 off of 25 breakdowns were helpful for you. If they were, please remember to hit that thumbs up button. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching. Check below in the Google Doc for all of your written breakdowns that you need, that you can easily print or screenshot and take to the store. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.